everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day for us. We are getting a solar system installed. We've got the crew from Island Valley Electrical showing up shortly, and they are going to put a 27 kilowatt system on our roof. They're going to spend about a week here putting the panels up and tying in all the electrical aspect of things. It is definitely something we need. We have a 1,000 square foot greenhouse that has quite a few lights in there, a couple fans for air circulation, a heating cable to keep the soil warm in our potting table to help with the cuttings in the winter. We also have 2 pumps for our swim pond, and we're on a well and septic. So every time we use the water, flush the toilets, take showers, it's all power. We also have 2 teenagers that stay in the shower longer than they should. So with all that, the 27 kilowatt system should cut our hydro by half. So right now we're spending about $500 a month, which is kind of a lot. And it says that it should bring it down to $250, $300. Let's hope. So watch along. I'll take some videos, some pictures, show you everything that they're doing, and maybe in the future I'll tie in our consumption and see how we're doing. Wish us luck. Island Valley Electrical just showed up. They're excited. It's a little bit of a change of plan. The weather is not cooperating. So instead, the boys are just going to do a little bit of work on the roof, and then they're going to do the electrical inside today. Exciting day. The panels are all in. The crew just left. They were here for 4 full days. They did such a great job. It turned out so good. Really, really nice and clean. The crew was awesome, easy to work with, and punctual, polite. I definitely would recommend Island Valley Electrical. They did such a good job. And now we're just waiting for an electrical inspection, BC Hydro inspection, and then we are fully operational. So I was quoted about 3 weeks. I did get to play around with the app a little bit while they were powering up everything, making sure everything was working. So that's really cool. So I cannot wait for next summer to see how much power we save. Here's a quick look at our energy produced for the month of November, now that we've been connected for a whole month. Here in BC, November is very cloudy, our days are short, but we did produce 582 kilowatt hours. When you compare it to our consumption, you could definitely tell that this is a big saving for us. The dark blue is last year's consumption, light blue is this year. So you can see that this will be a good product for us. We haven't really changed anything in our day-to-day life. So I'm very excited to see what the summer months will bring. Maybe in about a year, I'll do a little update and show you all how much we've saved in a whole year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.